Blessed day to you. I hope that you and your family are having a good after Christmas. I am here sitting in our couch so in front of one television. But um I think it's like 2 in the PM now. Today is Thursday. It's Ben Johnson Day after Christmas. After Christmas, Ben Johnson Day. And it is the first. No, it is the Ben Johnson Day for Christmas and the Ben Johnson Day before New Year's. I don't New Year, but I say New Year. So, anyhow, I am here giving thanks. Hope you and your family had a beautiful Christmas. And I know that you all enjoyed Cobb's Vlogmas. So I hope you will leave all your comments below. She's not too well. She's a bit, ladies things and so she's a bit like just resting up in our room. Maybe by tomorrow everything will go back again. So me about for Lord Jesus for my life that kitchen. Me and dad wanted to go sow some seeds, but the weather is cold. Plus we did want to go up on the road. Him get some soil at St. Elizabeth and we did want to go get something for planting. But guess what? The vibes not there. It's been overcast, bleak the whole Christmas, just rain and all the sitting. So I that down a kitchen and straighten up, so I go down. May I cook some, I don't know. I think him go cook yam, rent a yam, soft yam and banana. No him, me have to eat it because this man not do nothing for him own in a kitchen. I don't know what that already. So it's been a like pretty quiet holiday for me. Today I think I got some rest all morning. Since morning, the hardest thing we do was steam some callaloo. We got a huge breadfruit that carried from St. Elizabeth, but it was no good. It turned, and then we roasted it. It was no good. Big and so super tight, never good. So we never really get nothing tight. So we have some ackee, as you did see me put up the shots. We make some ackee and saltfish and cook some renta. And actually, I'm feeling for a fried dumpling or two, but I don't know if I got allow me to do that. I don't know. I don't know, but I go cook some ackee and saltfish and some. I didn't cook. I haven't cooked since Sunday. Today is Thursday. Sunday, Monday, me panka chew and make some turkey neck and rice and sit. Me no want a rice. I honestly don't. And Tuesday we didn't cook. Wednesday we didn't cook. So I'm just gonna see what I can do now. Just a little bit. So now the next clip you will see me down at the kitchen, but him could have fly higher, fly low, him might help me. Different business in January, I know. I really go turn the kitchen mama straight. Unless me I get paid for. So I will catch you in the next clip. I'm here trying to catch up on a few little channels that I watch and support, and also me I look a nice movie. But this is the first year I haven't watched a movie as yet. I don't know what happened. But I know, I can tell you. I don't have no TV in my room. Told myself that I don't want a TV in my room, but I think over the years bad broke with my television and my bedroom. My room is very small though, but me I forgot to find one local one catch up somewhere in there, because some days I don't feel like I want to get out, and there are sometimes I can't sit up. That is my problem in the family. I cannot sit up. But comment and tell me. Me is not the person to sit up and watch the television. I have to in my bed. I have to lay down in a something. And I more prefer my bed with my pillow, them eyes up, catch up my back arm, so cock up my foot, and then more time me end up as fall asleep on the TV watch me. That is how I watch my television. Me have to watch the television lying down in my bed, or if the couch is that comfortable, me lay down in it. But me can't sit down up in the couch and watch the TV. So I feel so that a part of my life. So me I go look on the television for in my room. I don't know that I go work out. I don't know where in there, but me have to find out how to put it in there. Because I think that is what is taking away a little part of my little. So I never want a television in the room. Because dad has this way of coming to watch stuff in there when me want. I don't know. Me and him have to work it up. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. But I think I want television in my room. If I did have television in my room, I watch all the movie already. And that's about it. So look here. Life goes on. So me catch you in the next set. I go cook some soft yam, ackee and saltfish, and maybe banana. Yeah, banana. I not have that. Actually, I'm not going to boil. I don't know if him want boil dumpling, but that's a pray say him no want a boiled dumpling. You know? Let's pray. I'm gonna eat one little fried dumpling. But let's see how it goes, okay? So, okay, now, fam. Then the way take out so much yam, fam. Why eat so much yam? We not eat so much yam, there. So, we add the ackee clean and frozen, so that take it off, we can eat out. I mean, some saltfish here, so we don't want all of this. Can't put them like a banana out there, so. You cut this and piece of this. I want to that piece about this, so make it make a cut piece of. Like how this fridge wash off fine knife, make it make a cut piece of that one there will come. Instead of cut that big one there. So cut this and piece of that one there. Yeah, but in my fridge. So that's about it. Yeah, I've got me a new baby. Woo! I've got me a bowl leaf KitchenAid mixer. Yeah, that was my. Yeah, my cook, you know, you can't peel it tough like. So yeah. So daddy move over here, so I go with that bag of sitting up in the corner, yes, I come from. But because I was doing some baking, so yeah. I got myself that for my Christmas. I treated myself to this for the Christmas holidays. It's an 8-quart bowl leaf. I didn't want that. So I'm lucky enough. I never want a more grey like this. I'm lucky enough to get a black for match with the rest of my appliance them. So in that corner I'm clean off and move some of the appliance them. That for him, you see? For him sitting all this there so full of coffee. You believe it? So I'm gonna put back it in this corner. Hey, me not make it drop. Oh, this about here so. So you put on pot already, Papa?
Yeah.
Cockroach. I food are going at that. I food are going at that pot then. Alright, so alright, fam. I think you should have started. Oh, you're putting in breadfruit. See if I know look up the breadfruit. Just cook half. And him have yam. Are this a yam?
Yeah.
Why is it so cold?
Yeah, that's good.
So,
You need to wash it out.
oh, you did wash that? The other one that come in the fridge? I never know. Yeah, we are use half. Yeah, you can't have nice car. And we are going to wrap this in a piece of plastic and put it back in the fridge car. Look here. If you see them out the road with this, you know them are tell us how money for. Oh, and it good. So we have cook 2 slices of breadfruit. You have to cook a dumpling there. You want a dumpling? You want a dumpling? Thank God. And ackee and saltfish. So that we are going to do. Yeah, water boil up, fam. And breadfruit is in here cooking. Turns me I turn down this so I can make the breadfruit then cook like look at the renter then so. You have to put look at salt. That look at patty I see. From the bite this it turns to me a fair screw up one side the angle. Come on. You can come put take time put it in and put a liquor. You never salty? No, I salt the food part. Just put liquor bit and then no take time. So that I put in ackee in a pot. Him happy if you could do if you cook this in a family because for him food this, you know. But me just have one. Alright, so ackee I go in a pot and breadfruit tap boil and that's about it. I wind down now fam. That peel nana. And see local ackee yellow door. A real country ackee me taste piece I have the country taste. Saltfish in there, so I pat there, so but piece of yam them have some little piece of the yam was the what came from St. Mary and the other piece somebody gave that to us. So got the one with them give a different. You see the look of black, but that squeeze lime. But when you see yam black so for the core, lime not nothing to do with the lime can't help it, lime help the water, but are they say it there, you know? Yeah. So the look of food is so ready. Many hands make light work. Food done cook. Yeah, the water not so dark though. I camera really show it so dark. And we are going to look about the ackee now this. But this frying pan here, you see if I never look at them. It's a set with one of these that I have. You see it? You see how new the bottom is? Actually, I haven't used it more than so very me. We'll do something, but look at the shape of it. You see the shape of it? Let me show you. Let me try and show you now. See it? Front parts there, or the back parts there. It's like them kind of pan, like if you make an omelette, you can just flip and flip something. But I think this is the bigger one and I have a smaller one, but I don't know how then take and chamber up here, so. But you can see, say, like pretty much this isn't used. You see it? I had some of them have a grease around here at the bottom. So, at this I can't find no Carcob. She's the packer lady, and when she pack up, we can find it. That I clean up saltfish right there, so I'm always clean up. But the food almost done. Because I can't find any scallion fan. I honestly cannot find any scallion. I don't have any. And actually, I'm not giving myself no problem. So, I cut up the little onion. Because here we go. I didn't go to any market, so Daddy might pick up saltfish, man. But you know, see, look like my chicken. If I put the food, I hear not put the food. Never have the saltfish. Dad, my chicken, have to make the dinner. But nothing wrong. You're not supposed to do it. So I tell the family, okay, but let's cut up look young pepper, some garlic, and some onion. I don't have, you know, I'm going to put tomato. I have tomato in my ackee, and the ackee, the country ackee. No, the country ackee, them taste different from the, you know, the town ackee, I think it have better flavor. Yeah, that's just my opinion. Because I taste it a while ago, so it tastes just like the ackee, them up a yard, up a second. So. And then I pick up the starfish this one. I'm always do the same. Anytime I cook, then I pick up the starfish. If you don't mind, I see it till all the whole day if you go on a road or gone road. So the little starfish I pick up this there so. And the little ackee. And I have this over here so it's eating up. I don't know the frying pan. I don't know if I write on this, but I eat now use. So I put in the starfish. I don't know I do my saltfish thing already. Fry it up crispy and nice. That's nice style. I don't like this seasoning fry up after. That's the kind of thing that. My saltfish is crispy and have look at edge in my ackee. So if I never have a whole heap of seasoning, it no matter. I don't want my saltfish with the whole heap of water. My saltfish not enough with ackee and so. I don't like the ackee and saltfish, but right now, I don't have no choice. Because if I did have red herring, I would have put red herring with it. That's why I use the right hand roll the camera around. I know that drill there, see? So that I go and deal with it, see? Turn up the stove here so. And I go and fry up and get crispy and then I put on my half pan it. Yeah. I didn't go out to buy the $1,000 pound scallion. So I don't get any. So I don't know when I go on the road tomorrow, Saturday, how it will stay if I can buy it. If I can, I try. So if the little starfish get brown up, I put in the little seasoning in it. So that's what I have, and I'm okay with that. Yeah, some little tired onion now. I'll flip it up together now. So my saltfish, for me like my saltfish, flipped up to my ackee. Yeah, I eat that. I don't have no onion, so I'm going to do now. No onion, scallion, because I know the scallion get a little. Yeah, so my saltfish brown up in there, I'm going to put minimal amount of black pepper, because I didn't try to put the minimal. I guess because Dad was in upholstery for so long, yeah, in sinuses. When I used to tell him to wear mask, he never used to wear. So, I like that to know. Okay, now dinner is served. This is Dad's. Yeah, it's a piece of the bad breed renter right there, so. But even though it looks like nice, you can see it waxy. This is mine. So, yeah, for me, I don't know, I'm not too like the ackee, we eat it every now and then. But I have some color left back from this morning. I'm going to put it with my ackee. So the high for me on my plate is these 2 pieces of breadfruit. You notice I'm not taking all of a banana. Yeah. I'm going to have that. And this is for Dad. Yeah, I'm going to come sort it out. And the banana them might soon get look at toughish, because guess what? They not look bad enough. in the cold weather here now, the banana them not so nice, you know, them kind of hard for full up. But we give God the glory. Because if you go down a market at 1 million a dozen feet or 2 million for the bunch. So I still have a pretty good amount leave. Gerard will come and him come and we start out this. Maybe him go cook, maybe him fry dumpling or steam white rice. So that's it, Colbian. She now want to see it. She will come do her like something, or if she want me to make something different for her. She's in her room and she's resting up. So basically this is it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. I tricked him into making dinner. Almost I him do everything. So if you go. Love you. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment below.